going on YouTube? Tony here, Positive Tech Reviews in the building. Whitestone Dome Tempered Glass Screen Protector for the Samsung Galaxy S10E, which we have right here. We're going to go ahead and do an install. First, we're going to see what's in here, see what it all comes with this package. I will have the links down in the description below to pick this product up. It is pretty pricey, but I think it's definitely worth the price. So let's go ahead and open this up and see everything that comes with it. Okay, so you guys can see it does come with dust stickers. We have 3 alcohol swabs. We do have obviously the tempered glass. We got some speaker tape that you want to cover up the speakers. Make sure you don't get no adhesive in there. And we do have the tempered glass, which is right here. This comes apart, by the way. We do have the tempered glass right here. We only get one. And here is the 2 adhesive bottles. You get an extra adhesive bottle, and we get this little bridge that goes across. Read the instructions. It's pretty easy to do. I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the way I do mine. I've installed several of them, so should be an easy, breezy process. All right, guys. So once you have everything out of the box and you got your adhesive bottles ready to go, you got your tempered glass, you got your device. Make sure you clean your device up. Mine, I just had a film on it. Pull it off. Do not forget this part right here. This is very important. It's going to be your speaker cover. You got to tape your speaker up so you don't get no adhesive in there. This just folds back. Basically, you drop it into the tray like so, and you are ready to go now. So now what you need to do is you want to make sure the screen is clean. Like I said, mine is pretty clean. I just took off the film, which I threw somewhere. And you might want to just go over it, do a 1C with this dust stickers. Just get whatever you can see on there. You make sure you got pretty good lighting, and make sure you try to get everything. So I just removed my screen film that was on there. It's not a screen protector, it's just a film that was on there. So my screen should be really, really good, cleaned. And what you want to do next is you want to go ahead and put this in there. This is going to be the top part. It lines up right here, just like this. And you can see these. You want to push these down. These are going to be roll-off adhesive strips. It picks up the excessive glue that rolls off your device. You want to make sure that's in there. Like I said, go back over. You see any type of dust, particles, fibers, whatever. Make sure you clean everything off as best you can. So everything is definitely off the screen. If you miss something, it won't be too bad because the liquid in the screen protector is going to. So make sure you look it over real good. So far mine looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and get my bridge ready. I still see particles coming down. Make sure you pick everything up. And make sure your phone is powered off. So you got your bridge going on. Go over it again, nothing. And what you want to do now is you want to put the colored part down, I believe. And this just sits down in there. Make sure you don't have anything on your screen. Let me go over it again just in case. Because it will bug the crap out of me if I miss something. And then you just drop the adhesive in there. It will not come off until you remove the second cap. So we got it in there. Once you remove the second cap, that is when the liquid will start to flow down. And now you want to get your tempered glass screen protector ready. Make sure you got it the right way and with the pinhole going towards the camera, and make sure you have this little clip right here. You're going to need this. It's very important. So you want to put this in now. Make sure you got the clip in there now. And you want to get your screen ready. Make sure you look over. Pull this out. Trying to get this. Got your screen protector ready to go, and the one you want to peel off is the bottom. So you want to peel this off. Make sure your camera lines up with the camera over here, and you should be good. But this is like a different step. So we're gonna go ahead and release the liquid. Let me give it one more sticky because I see some particles coming down off my shirt. So make sure you give it a 1T again. Once you release the liquid, it's going to be pretty quick process. So now release the liquid. Boom. You see all the liquid came out. A couple seconds. Then you remove the bridge. Make sure you do not tilt. Try not to tilt. Put the cap back on. Put it off to the side, whatever for now. You want to get the screen ready. Pull off the back. That's what you're going to use. Then you want to line it up at the bottom first. Then you just drop it down. You see the pinhole and everything's ready to go. So now what you do now is you want to tilt the screen or tilt the tray so that the bubble comes down to the middle. And once it comes to the middle, you pull this tab. So we're going to go do that. Tilt. Once it touches the screen, tilt a little bit more and then release, pull the tab. Boom. Now you can see it running off, and it takes a little process. It takes a little while. It looked like it lined up pretty damn good. I always get nervous when I do these, but they always work out pretty good. So you can see it went all the way around the camera. I hope I don't have any kind of residue. And then you can see on the bottom it's still traveling down towards the bottom. And yes, it looks like it did full coverage. So really nice all the way around. It looks like a perfecto jabo. So leave it in here for a few seconds, and now you want to get your UV light. Let me clear this out real quick. So I take this out. Adhesive is really strong. It's pretty strong. You want to cap this out. This is the one you use, so you no longer need this one. You can dump that one. Keep the other one just in case you want to get another tempered glass. They do sell those just separate. This is the kit what comes with everything, but they do sell the tempered glass separate. Now what you want to do is you want to have your UV light ready, and you want to start off in the middle for 30 seconds. So you do the middle, and then you do the top, and then you do the bottom. So this should turn off automatically. I'm doing this in real time so you guys can see. 0 edits. It should be perfectly fine once I'm done. I wish they would have included some more stickers, because I already used these all up. So this should turn off in 30 seconds, and then we'll scoot down to the top and then the bottom. There's an extra one here. We'll save this one. But yeah, real time, guys. So far, the S10E has been real good with battery life, so you can see it turned off. And then we'll go ahead and we'll do the bottom now for 30 seconds. And then we'll go up to the top. So it's a little bit tedious when it comes to doing it for the very first time. But I've done several of them. I've done S9, Note 9, and the Note 8 too. I did a few. I have done a few of them in my time. So So they come out pretty good, man. The screen protectors are really, really good. The touch sensitivity on these screen protectors are really, really good. And I normally get these for the curved edges on the S series, like the S10, S9. But this right here does not have curved edges, so it's still a good screen protector. I still highly recommend it. So now we move up to the top. This is all in real time, guys. Boom, do the top for 30 seconds. And then after this is the cleaning process. This is a pretty lengthy video, but I want to show you guys step by step how this works. Now, with the end to screen fingerprint reader on the S10 and the S10 Plus, you have to redo the process twice. So after you do the curing process, you have to repeat it again. It actually helps with the fingerprint reader. You can it works real good. It actually works once you do it. Like if you just do it first time, it may give you some issues. So you want to repeat the process. Make sure the curing is totally complete. So you can just redo this process again. So there, I'm pretty much done here as far as the curing process goes for this particular device. Like I said, if you have the S10 Plus or the S10 with the fingerprint, you redo the process again with the UV light, and you should be golden. So we're going to go ahead and pull this out now, and it's time to do some cleaning. We do have the alcohol swabs, which we're definitely going to use. I'll probably use one for now since I didn't need one from the beginning, so I get that ready. And here you got two little cutouts to lift the phone up. Pull it up from the bottom. Look at that. So you got some little bit of runoff here, which is not bad. And on this side, it's pretty clean all the way around. So it did a fantastic job. Definitely like what I'm seeing. So we're going to give it a quick wipe down. Wipe, 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 wipe. This phone is IP68. Dust and water resistance. Man, this tempered glass screen protector came out good. And we do have the little speaker tape up there for that speaker. Make sure you tape that up. You want to remove that also. So yeah, it did pretty good so far. Let me see, get some glue. We got some excess glue over here on this side, which we'll probably take off later. Let me wipe it down and make sure that it came out crystal clean. And yes, sir, look at that. Crystal clean display all the way around. Okay, then we got the glue coming out now. Nice. So the glue on this side came out pretty good. You got some excessive glue here, but this side, excellent, man. So yeah, wipe it down again. I would say it's a pretty easy process this time around. I do have to remove my sticker at the top for the speaker. We'll do that now. So make sure you do not forget this part. Very important. You don't want no glue in that speaker grill. You'll catch heck trying to get it out. So boom, boom, boom. Look at that. This thing, perfect. Perfect install of the Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector for my S10E. Phenomenal phone, man. This has got to be the small phone king right now. I think this is, when it comes to the small phones, this one is the boss right here. This one is the boss. So yeah, there you guys have it. Quick install. I still got some glue on this side. Quick install of my tempered glass screen protector on my Samsung Galaxy S10e. Check it out. Perfectamundo. So you want to leave this off for a little bit. You don't want to put your case right on. You want to make sure it just cures a little bit longer before you put the case on, but it should fit perfectly fine with this case right here. This is encased. And yeah, there you guys have it. Quick install. Samsung Galaxy S10e tempered glass screen protector. Beautiful. Beautiful. And we out. Adios, amigos.